Put it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I just decided that I let my daughter do my makeup today.
Oh my
Not
God.
this one, not this one, not this one. Go to Achi. Say hi.
What? Hi. Hi. What am I supposed to say? Hi, my name is Kyrene, and today I'm gonna put makeup on my mom, and she's gonna look beautiful.
So this is how we are gonna do it. I've already prepared all the stuff that I usually use every day, like going to work or going out. And then she's going to do it for me. And she has to guess what is the use. For example, this makeup, what is it for? Okay, so let's just do it.
Hi, my name is Kyrene, and I'm here to voluntarily make a fool of myself and try to do my mom's makeup.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh God. So, how about this?
This is from Peach C. It's the Peach Glow Makeup Base. So what do you think?
You have to put it on first, of course. So, just
You can use your hands to put it or spread it all over my face.
I don't know what Ew. You look really...
Even stop it.
Stop it. I'm trying to make it look smooth. Oh my God.
You have to spread it properly. Okay.
I have no idea. That's what I'm giving.
This is the CosRX Aloe Soothing Sun Cream.
I still don't know what that is. So I just put it on your face?
What do you think? No. You have to open it like this.
Okay, I'm scared. I'm like shaking.
Oh, what?
Did I put it everywhere again?
I think so. What do you think?
No, I don't think so. I'm just gonna put it how they put it in the videos, which I never watch them, so.
Ah!
And then your forehead. Okay. Your eyes. Okay, there.
It's Dear Claire's.
Blemish cream.
Yeah.
So what do we do? Put on your cheeks or something?
I don't know.
It says blemish.
You have to guess.
What? And what is it? Oh, is it like for highlighting? Because it's colored like this. I'm just scared. Like here and here. Oh, I think I know what blemish means. When I was editing something in Pixar.
Wow.
Insert aesthetic music. Here, yes. Yes. Oh God, I can't.
You have to read it.
Come
Read
on.
it.
3CE Cover Pot Concealer, Salmon Peach, made in Korea.
What?
I don't know.
So what do you think is this for?
Let me open it first. Let's see. Oh no, I don't know what this is for. Do I use it with this? I suppose because it's fitting. What do I put it on?
What do you think?
Is
It
it
says
from-
on the word from the word conceal.
Oh, I see. So I'm doing it correctly?
I don't know.
So, like this? Yes. Oh my God, it's so much.
Ew, you're saliva.
Add it all over your face.
What?
You're so Are you helping me? Okay. Looks good, yes. Oh my.
You have to make sure that
I'm just gonna do this. Look at it. Glossing waterfall foundation. Why didn't I put this on first? Is it?
Remember,
is it-
you have to. So it looks like this.
Oh my god.
What do you think? How
Let
do
me
they
see
put,
it.
How do they put it in the face?
Oops, just gonna go right for your eye. Oh my god. Alright. Ah, yes. You're so mean. Oh my god. It's too much. Ooh, yes.
Okay, and then after that.
What? I don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna. What are you doing? You're gonna cover yourself in the mess. It's going into the corner. Wait, let me see. Ooh. What do you here? Look, each. And then maybe something like a little pink.
Which one? You have to do this.
Wait, I can't. Let me just. Something.
Which one?
Something pink. I don't know. This one.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
give me. Which one did I use?
This one.
Okay. Maybe a little glitter. Did you mix it?
It's up to you.
Yes. Okay, so how do I even.
You
What's
have-
that for?
I don't know. You have to put it yourself.
I'm scared. Close your eyes. Is that what you're supposed to do? It's so big. How do we do this? Right? Wow.
Oh my god!
Help me. No, I can't.
Go.
I was like, you look so bad.
So
Can I
which
use them
one-
all?
What?
What's this one? I don't know what it looks like.
It's a cream one.
Ooh. Ooh, it smells like my vitamin.
Which one?
This one's a bit too dark, but blush doesn't show up that much. So I'm just gonna use this. Where's the little...
No, you don't use this one.
What?
This is a cream blush. What do you think?
Right?
Okay. You just.
Let me just... yeah. Wait, let me do it. Okay. I feel like it looks really bad. Wait, one is on the right here, yes. Oh yes.
Where are the colors?
Eyebrow. Oh god, eyebrow. What's this?
No, it's okay.
What is this? Oh my god, it's for drawing.
What drawing?
Yes, look, it's a pen. So I just
So
draw.
what do you think?
What do you- Oh, like if you have non-existent eyebrows, you can use this.
Yeah.
Which
Okay.
you do have eyebrows. Just kidding. Okay. Maybe I can just. I'm so confused. Let me just draw. I'm scared of the. Right there. Is it the color you always use? What are you doing? Let's go. Oh my god, I didn't do it.
Oh my god.
Let me fix it.
Okay, I help you fix it.
You just don't.
it?
Now, isn't it? Please. Thank you. Just. Oh, yeah.
Ew.
It sounds fake. Okay, let's do this. You know what? You're gonna look amazing.
Okay.
Why? I did it again. Why me? Oh my god. Is it still? Alright.
Yes.
You can if you can just do that all the time and erase it, why is it so hard to draw on your eyebrows? It's not so weird. Why do you even need to do that? Your eyebrows look okay. I feel stupid.
They're- I think later when I look at my face,
You're gonna
I'm
regret
going to feel all the laughing that you did through my eyebrows.
Stop.
See, and
Stop.
it's
I'm not gonna draw when I'm laughing. It's so.
We're done with that.
Yeah.
And then what do you think is this for?
Oh God, let me see. Eyebrow mascara. No, I don't want to do your
Okay.
eyebrows again.
Faster.
What is it? Is it for your eyebrows?
Yes.
Oh,
It says already.
why? I don't want to torture you anymore. Okay, let's just. A while ago I saw you putting this way up, so let me just. I almost touched your forehead. Ooh, wow.
What unibrow?
I don't know what the Grinch looks like, but he just remind me of him. Oh. This is taking so long. I'm just trying to get it to look on. How's that?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh.
I have to do this first.
No, I'm not gonna hurt you. I don't want to do that. How do you even? I feel like I'm gonna cut off your eyelashes. Close your eyes.
I will show you first.
No, it's scary.
Yes.
I can't even do it for myself. Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
No, if you do it properly.
Then I can't.
You
No.
try it.
By myself?
No, my eyes.
No.
Come on.
I'm gonna kill you. Wait. Are you scared that I'm gonna cut off your eye? Just do it yourself. I'm scared. Okay. Oh my god, it looks excruciating. How do you even do that? So which Why would you do that to me? So which mascara do we use? The brown one or the black one? I feel like the brown one is better so it matches your eyebrows.
Okay.
Let's like make your eyebrows pop more.
So you have to show it. So we're using this one. Yeah, it's a Japanese brand. Okay, you do it.
Ooh, wow.
I just a tip. Don't put too much.
You should have said that a while ago.
No, it's okay. That's normal
Why
because
is it bad?
no, it's
Tell
okay.
me. Close your eyes. I'm scared.
No,
I
you
need to
cannot
use my
close your
right-
eyes.
I need to use my right hand or else I'm gonna ruin everything. Oh my god. Is that too much? Is that too much? Oh god, I did it again. It's just so beautiful. Let's do this. How do I even put this?
Okay, let me hold it.
Here.
Okay.
So we
good.
have to put it. I don't know how you. You face this way. Wait, I'm trying to fix it. It's gonna look. Don't do it. You're making me look like a fool. Alright. I can't even do lipstick. How about we wipe you? Wow. Okay.
So we're done. You can see my face after
yes,
she
you
did
can
my
see my face too.
after she did my makeup. So what can you say?
You look amazing. I love your eyebrows so much, and I did so good. Right? Look at the lipstick. I did like really good. Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that. Yes. Look at that. Yes. Oh yes. Right there. Ah, check out my finger. Yes. Yes, go. You're rocking them eyebrows. Yeah.